Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has moved pretty much in line with expectations. It nearly reached the target area here for wave C down here that I made you aware when we were, I think, just coming down here, and hitting here the wave A low. I told you they will probably come up in wave B into this area and then come down in a wave C. Again, for that we want to be able to count 5 waves on the way down. Don't think we can do that yet. I think we are still on track here to go a little bit lower, in line also with what I think at the moment for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, if you have seen those latest videos. Personally, how I see this is that, this was a 5-wave move down in a wave A itself. This here is a WXY pattern to the upside in a wave B. And we are now coming down in the wave C. I don't think we can count 5 waves yet. Against the high of 51.1, so we should stay below that level ideally, and go lower. Which level would be likely to reach? Again, I've outlined it here from a Fibonacci retracement point of view, more so the area here between the 45.7 and 47.4 level. I'd say probably more closely here towards 45.7. The wave 2 itself can even go lower if we use the one, there's different ways of calculating a target, obviously, for a wave 2. One would be just to use the retracement levels of the wave 1. So in this case here, between the 61.8, the 50% Fib retracement. A wave 2 though can also go lower. So that's just what we need to see. If we lose 45.7, we're probably gonna see here the area around the 48.3 cent level, the 78.6% Fib level. There's a previous swing low at 44.3 cents that could also act as previous support. Another way is to take the length of the wave A to add it to the high of the wave B, and then one projection target would be the 1-to-1 ratio, the 44.1 cent level. That would be quite close here to the 78.6% Fib level. So this is only a guide, this green box, and for now we are on track here to go lower, and I don't see any reason to change this. That this ABC is finished already, I would primarily only think if we go, a good indication would be a move above 51.1 cent, but really even then we could assume that wave B just wasn't finished. So I think only a move above 54.6, this high here of the wave 1, will give us clear evidence at the moment that here this ABC is already finished. Normally the move above wave B would, but because wave C in this case would be a bit too short, I would be skeptical and I would want to wait for a breakout above 54.6. That is not a problem because the overall target for the next larger wave up, and let's just assume wave 2 is finished already. Let's say we would just wait until we break out above 54.6. The next target would take us to just around 70 cents. So there's still a long way to go from there. But going long, for example, at the moment is a bit too risky because we haven't reached the green target range yet. And I don't think we can comfortably say that wave C is done. It's a bit too short. I would be waiting here for a zigzag to play out in a 5-wave move down. And to get more confidence that this 5-wave move is complete, I think we need to be able to reach at least a 61.8%. Because I want to be able to count 5 waves down, and I think it will be tough the way it's outlined at the moment with this long move up here. We want to give it enough space for the 5 waves, so maybe it will end more around the 78.6% Fib level. But this is all part and all within the scenario of a wave 2. So just be aware that we are probably going to drop lower. I also expect this for Ethereum and Bitcoin after a little bit of a move up. So it could be a bit of a red weekend. We'll see. But the overall trend, in my opinion, at the moment is still up, which means here in this ABC, we're basically working against the high level trend. And the uptrend is always stronger if the trend has shifted to the upside, which I think it has. So the next move up could be quite significant and quite strong. Okay. All right. And again, this is not guaranteed to get down there, but I can only show you obviously how I see the market and the most likely scenarios. Okay, so hopefully you like the update about Cardano. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.